How to add TikTok videos to TikTok story. Open the TikTok app. Find the TikTok video that you would like to share to the story. Keep in mind all the videos will not be shareable. The creator will have to turn on that feature. Tap on the share icon that you can see on the screen. You can find the option for report, not interested, download, etc. Tap on the option add to story. Now you'll be able to add it to the story. You can see various story settings. Tap on the gear icon in order to access the story settings. You can see the options like who can view this post, video privacy, advanced settings, etc. Adjust the settings according to your choice. You can also add the text, sticker and filter. Once you're done, tap on the option add to story. After a while, you can see over here the video will be uploaded to your TikTok story. Like this, you can add TikTok video to TikTok story. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.